Okay. The act of manufacturing, in essence, means we take raw materials and resources from nature, process those raw materials, and convert them into products and things which are useful for our use, for our industry, and for our domestic purposes. Now, the very fact that we take things from nature means that we are depleting the stock of these materials with nature. Nature, of course, has an inbuilt capacity to reproduce, regenerate by itself. But if the rate at which we extract the materials is higher than the regenerative capacity, then obviously over a period of time, we will run out of raw materials. And this is what is happening today. Because of increase in consumption, increase in population, whatever, we are rapidly exhausting the availability of raw materials. Secondly, the process of manufacturing generates various undesirable products which go into waste, into exhaust. And these waste products go back into the nature because that is where we dump them, and they pollute and poison the very same raw materials which we need for further manufacturing. Third aspect, as we consume the products so created, generated, manufactured, again, at the end of it, there is a waste material. So, in effect, what it means is that we are limiting the time for which we can make this manufacturing. It becomes a self-limiting process. And this is very bad because for future generations, we ought to preserve nature and the raw materials and all these things so that they can also enjoy it the way we are doing. This awareness is called sustainability. Sustainability is a thinking, a thought process by which we protect our environment, while at the same time we are manufacturing and producing stuff for our use. We make sure that the raw materials are useful for next generations. And this is a thought which has to be in the minds of not only big and large corporations and factories, but also in the smaller enterprises and even within the individuals as we go forward. And this action needs to start now. There are many means and strategies by which we can do manufacturing and consumption without unnecessarily affecting the sustainability of the same. So we must spread more awareness of that. And this is something which perhaps you can see at the next automation show, where automation can also contribute to these strategies. Thank you.